Hello everyone, my name is Paru, and as you know that we were doing trigonometric ratios of specific angles, and today it would be the last video on this topic, that is trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. But this doesn't mean trigonometry ends here. It is a very vast topic and we will discuss it one by one in my upcoming videos in details. If you haven't seen the previous parts of this topic, you can find the link in the I button and in description also. So let's proceed. Please watch till the end so that you won't miss any step. For this, consider a right triangle ABC with angle B is equals to 90 degree, and angle A and angle C are the acute angles. Now let us see what happened to the trigonometric ratios of angle A if it is made smaller and smaller in the right triangle ABC till it becomes 0. As angle A gets smaller and smaller, the length of the side BC decreases. Here it is shown in the figure. The point C gets closer to point B in this figure, and finally when angle A become very close to angle 0, AC become almost the same as AB. AC is equals to AB. When angle A is very close to 0 degree, BC gets very close to 0. So the value of sine A, that is sine A, which is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse from triangle ABC, perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC, is also very close to 0. Also, when angle A is very close to 0, AC is nearly the same as AB, and so the value of cos A, that is cos A, which is equals to base upon hypotenuse, base is AB and hypotenuse is AC, is very close to 1. This helps us to see how we can define the values of sine A and cos A when A is equals to 0 degree. So we define sine 0 degree is equals to 0 and cos 0 degree is equals to 1. Using these values, we have sine 0 is reciprocal of cosec 0 degree. So cosec 0 degree is equals to 1 upon sine 0 degree, which is equals to 1 upon 0, and it is not defined. And cos 0 is reciprocal of sec 0. So sec 0 degree is equals to 1 upon cos 0 degree. It implies that 1 upon 1. So sec 0 is equals to 1. Also we know that tan is equals to sine upon cos. Therefore tan 0 degree is equals to sine 0 degree upon cos 0 degree. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So tan 0 degree is equals to 0. And cot 0 degree, which is equals to 1 upon tan 0 degree. So 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Now let us see what happens to the trigonometric ratios of angle A when it is made larger and larger in triangle ABC till it becomes 90 degree. As angle A gets larger and larger, angle C gets smaller and smaller as shown in these figure. Therefore, as in the case above, the length of the side AB goes on decreasing and the point A get closer to point B. Finally, when angle A is very close to 90 degree, angle C becomes very close to 0 degree and the side AC almost coincides with the side BC. So, when angle C is very close to 0 degree, angle A is very close to 90 degree, side AC is nearly the same as side BC. That is, AC is almost equals to side BC. And so, sine A is very close to 1. Also, when A is very close to 90 degree. And angle C is very close to 0 degree and the side AB is nearly 0, so cos A is very close to 0. So we define sine 90 degree is equals to 1 and cos 90 degree is equals to 0. From this, cosec 90 degree is equals to 1 upon sine 90 degree is equals to 1 upon 1 and sec 90 degree is equals to 1 upon cos 90 degree equals to 1 upon 0, which is not defined. And also tan 90 degree is equals to sine 90 degree upon cos 90 degree is equals to 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Therefore, cot 90 degree is equals to 1 upon tan 90 degree, or we can write it as cos 90 degree upon sine 90 degree is equals to 0 upon 1, which is equals to 0. So we have sine 0 degree is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cosec 0 not defined, sec 0 1 and cot 0 not defined. Similarly, sine 90 degree is 1, cos 90 degree is 0, tan 90 degree not defined, cosec 90 degree 1, sec 90 degree not defined and cot 90 degree 0. Now to make these ratios easy to understand, we will draw the table. We will start like this. Angles are placed vertically and ratios are placed horizontally. So first, trigonometric ratio is sine A. So we will do, start with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all with 4. Then take square root of each. So root 0 by 4 is 0, root 1 by 4, root 1 is 1, root 4 is 2, this cancel, it is equals to 1 upon root 2, it is equals to root 3 upon 2, root 1 is 1. For cos A, we will reverse this. Therefore, cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is same 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. And cos 90 degree is equals to 0. Now tan A is equals to sine upon cos. So tan 0 is equals to sine 0 upon cos 0. Sine 0 is 0 upon 1 is equals to 0. This is 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. So it changes into multiply. So 2 upon root 3. 2 and 2 cancel. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. It's 1 upon root 2 into root 2 upon 1. This is 1. Root 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, which is equals to 2 by 1 is equals to root 3, and 1 by 0 is not defined. Also, we can find the value of cosec A, sec A, cot A as they are reciprocal of sin A, cos A, tan A respectively. Therefore, cosec A, that is cosec 0 is 0 by 1, which is equals to 1 by 0, is not defined. Cosec 30 degree is 2. Cosec 45 degree is equals to root 2. Cosec 60 degree is equals to 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 degree is equals to 1, same. Sec A is same, 1 is equals to 2 upon root 3, same, root 2 is 2 and not defined. And cot A is equals to not defined. Cot 30 degree is root 3. Cot 45 degree is 1. Cot 60 degree is 1 upon root 3. And cot 90 degree is 0. So from the table we can observe that angle A increases from 0 degree to 90 degree, sin A increases from 0 to 1, and cos A decreases from 1 to 0. Thank you so much for watching the video. In my next video we will start new series, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles.